Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Paula. My channel is PJ Danita Trends, where I talk about all things trending in my life. And today I'm really excited. So I did a Walgreens gift card deal and it worked perfectly. So for those of you who don't know, last week I went into Walgreens. I tried to do the gift card promotion in the weekly ad and it was a mess. I got to the register and I wasn't familiar with how their gift card promotions work, but apparently neither was the cashier nor the store manager. So the manager had to call his manager, and it was just a big old mess. They ended up having to open up another register because other people were coming in the store and we had the first register tied up. So we ultimately got it resolved. So what they did last week was they ended up just issuing me a register award, a store credit. But this week it worked like it was supposed to in the ad, and I'll tell you all about that. So last week when I tried to do the promotion, it was a Regal gift card. When you buy two, you got a Walgreens gift card. I can't remember, I think it was like a $5 Walgreens gift card. So we had trouble with that. So this week they had, again, another gift card promotion in the weekly ad, but this week you got a $10 Walgreens gift card. So my approach was very different this week. What gift cards did I get? So I decided to do the Uber promotion because my family's taking a trip to New York actually this week. So by the time you see this video, these may already be in use. So I know my family will end up either doing Uber or Uber XL. But anyway, these will come in handy. So they had these on promotion, Taco Bell and a few others, but these made the most sense for what I needed them for. And in addition to that, I got the $10 Walgreens gift card. So this week, what I ended up doing, I went on a website, I think it was Crazy Coupon Lady or something like that. And then I also saw couponing with Kayla. So I picked up the Uber gift cards, but I also picked up the Walgreens gift card. So I took all three to the register, and before the cashier started the transaction, I had the promotion pulled up on my phone, and I told her, I said, hey, there's a promotion in your weekly sales ad where you can buy 2 gift cards. And of course, I have a Walgreens account, my Walgreens account. And when I put money on both, I will get a $10 Walgreens gift card. So she was new. So she said, oh, I don't know anything about this. So she immediately called her manager. She's like, let me get my manager to help me. So this was, and by the way, this was at a different store this week. So the manager came and she said, I have no idea. I don't know anything about that promotion. So the new cashier, she actually said, well, let's just try it and see what happens. So I did tell them, I said, well, I tried it the previous week. We ran into some issues, and if you aren't able to get it work, they were able to issue me a register award, a credit. And she said, fine, that's what we'll do, because she didn't know how to do it. So the new cashier, and I wish I would have gotten her name because she did a great job, and I would have done a survey to give feedback. But she took my 2 Uber gift cards, and she put $20 on each gift card. And when she rang it up, it prompted her to enter the gift card amount. So that was this one. So she typed in $10, and her manager said, oh, no, don't type in any amount because she's not supposed to pay for the gift card. And she said, well, it's asking me how much to put in for the gift card. And I said, well, let's go through with it, because if it's not correct, like if it comes up to a total of $50, like 20, and it tries to charge me $10 for this one, then I just won't pay it. So she put in the $20 for this one, the $20 for that one, and it prompted her for how much should be placed on the Walgreens gift card. She entered $10. My total ended up being $40, and I got my $10 Walgreens credit. So we were all 3 of us were clapping. It was me, the new cashier and her manager. So everybody learned how it's supposed to work. So I said all of that to say, because I know that was a very long story. If you're gonna do these gift card promotions, because I actually like gift cards, but if you're gonna do the gift card promotions, take them to the register with you, all three. Pull up the promotion on your app and let the cashier know ahead of time. And I think it makes it easier for everybody. But if they don't know, if they ring these up and put the dollar amounts that you want on this, it'll prompt them to ask how much to add to the Walgreens gift card, and you tell them the amount from the promotion, and they enter that, and you should not get charged for it. So everything went really smooth this week. So I just wanted to share that with you, that this is a go. So my plan is to continue. If they've got more gift cards this summer, I do plan to continue to purchase gift cards and then use the Walgreens gift card on some of my stockpiling deals. But it does work well. And again, this store had excellent customer service. So I didn't have any issues there. But I just wanted to share that with you, because I'm to the place now where I think my stockpile is done for now. You know how stockpiles are. So until my family kind of uses down some of the items that we have, I can do some fun deals. So gift cards are fun for me. So I'll plan to continue to take advantage of that. Maybe it's a summer promotion and they'll keep them going. But I'm really excited to see if they're going to have more gift card deals in next week's store ad. And if so, I will continue to do it. I feel like I know how to guide the cashiers through the process. So it should be a smooth transaction moving forward. So that's it. Now I have, like I said, the Regal gift cards, week 1, week 2 Uber. So we're going to keep this going. But that's it. That's all I have for you today. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.